Morning children. So today I am going to take the concept of exercise 7.2 fifth sum to 10th sum. Actually I will already did the sum. I will explain you how to do it. Okay, fifth sum. Actually what is the fifth sum? Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 comma minus 5 B minus 4 comma 5 divide by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the point of division. That means they are given the required point, x-axis value they are given, they are not given the y-axis value. Automatically y-axis value will be, now we will move on to the solution. Let x-axis divides the line joining the points A 1 comma minus 5 B minus 4 comma 5 in the ratio k is to 1. That means x-axis value is, you have to find out, is there. Y-axis value I just assumed as 1. So in line segment AM is point M I am taking. AM is k ratio, MB is ratio is 1, k is to 1. So now coordinates of the M. That means what is the section formula? M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. You have to find out, just substitute the formulas, M1 M2 form, M1 M2 points ratio and AB ratio. You will get this equation. So since point M lies in x-axis only, so y-axis is 0. So we will take M as x comma 0. The required point is x comma, not x comma y. The required point is x comma 0. Okay. Using x comma 0, how to find out? X equal to minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1. That is the x equation, equation number 1. Take y equation, 5k minus 5 plus divided by k plus 1 equal to 0. That is y equation. Okay. So easily you can find out the k value here because the right hand side value is 0. So equalize the value left hand side and right hand side means you will get the k value. So now k value is 1. So k value is 1 means m1 is to m2 is 1 is to 1. Now you substitute the m1 is to m2 as it is. So you will get the point of m x comma y. Your x value is minus 3 by 2. Your y value is automatically, you already know, is 0. So the required point, so the required ratio of 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1, and the coordinates of the point of division M is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Okay. So this is the fifth sum. Now I move on to the sixth sum. Sixth sum is, if 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order, find x and y you have to find out. Okay. So 4 sides are given means we will take as the 4 vertices. First I will take as they are given the parallelogram. So I will draw the parallelogram. I will join the diagonals of the parallelogram. So how to find out the diagonals? Diagonals can be, you have to find out means you have to use the midpoint formula. What is your midpoint formula? Midpoint formula means x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That is your midpoint formula. Just apply the midpoint formula for AC and midpoint formula for BD. Okay. Then coordinates of the midpoint formula is this. Just on comparing the coordinate both sides AC, BD. I am sorry for this little bit. I did the mistake. Okay. So 1 plus x divided by 2 equal to 4 plus 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel right hand side and left hand side. So you will take 1 plus x equal to 7. 2 plus 8 by 2. 2 plus 6 equal to 5 plus y. 5 plus y equal to 8. So x equal to 7 minus 1, the answer is 6. Y equal to 8 minus 5, the answer is y is 3. Okay children, now I wind up the video. I will start the next video for 7th and 8th sum. Okay.